Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Monday 7 February, and join me into the Discord because I normally post this post, come on do something, and Bitcoin dumps, but this time Bitcoin pumped to the upside. Now yesterday I was sitting back and I was observing about the charts here. Now normally I'm gonna tell you the technical target of Bitcoin, by the way, is $44,000 out of an ascending triangle. So for me, Bitcoin is gonna go to $44,000, and here we are. And this is gonna. Oh wait, no, not here. Sorry, this is where you broke out. Whoops. Yeah. So this is where we're gonna go. $44,753. This is where you're actually looking to go. That's your technical target out of an ascending triangle. Now, what happened yesterday, I just draw this yellow line right there. And this is the yellow line of the resistance that we were talking about, a big yellow line that I previously even mentioned in the videos, that if you start losing this one, you're going to actually go to the downside. So now basically you are back above that yellow line and you're actually going to attack this 55 EMA on the daily. But the thing is that you are bound to cross the 55 because the technical target is $44,400 again out of an ascending triangle. So what it did is that look, you already have this resistance that turned into support now. One touch right there, one touch right here, one touch there, one touch there, another touch right there, one touch right here, few touches right there, another support right there, and now you find support after you actually crossed it. Do you see that? So Bitcoin actually never went on and dumped to the downside. So I'm gonna tell you the charts change every day. Yesterday, I was looking for that pullback, and what's wrong with looking for a pullback? Okay, you just want to keep yourself safe that it comes down, back test, and then you continue. Probably, perhaps you enter at a very safe spot. But the thing is, I'm gonna tell you after yesterday's video update, what happened is something very simple. I'm actually going to dive into the 4-hour time frame, and what happened is that it continued sideways and sideways and sideways and sideways until one thing happened. And even the bar chart that I showed you of the Simpsons head, yes, instead of down, they can be to the upside as well. So it was pretty simple. It broke out this resistance, came for the retest, and it actually hold the retest as well, which I'm going to show you when I dive into the 1-hour time frame. So what it did is, I'm going to show you bringing in the EMA of the 10 EMA on the 4-hour time frame. Let's change the color right there, increase the thickness. All right, so here we are with the 10 EMA. When I uploaded yesterday's video, what the hell, here we are, and probably what it did is by the time I uploaded the video, we were somewhere right here. Do you understand that? And the EMA was actually here. The EMAs were actually down there. The 20 was down here. The 55 was down there. It continued so much to the sideways that the EMA actually went up and catched along with the prices, right? So it actually supported the prices not to go down anymore. And that was the thing. If we would have started to go for the pullback very, very early and very soon, then yes, he would have gone for that pullback properly. But what it did is that I did upload the video here, but it continued sideways so much that this one just pulled up to the upside and then went up there. Now, yes, one thing is clear. There is a little bit of a break of a trend right there, but there's gonna be a resistance nearly $44,000 as well. But the thing is that the $44,000 is a technical target, which I've already told you and showed you. Can we actually continue above $44,000? That's the question. I'm actually gonna put in this blue line right there. That's the technical target that I'm looking for Bitcoin to actually go. This target right now, right there. And let me tell you guys, I've been taking advantage of these pumps. Whatever is happening here, I've been taking advantage of it out of the signal channels. Yesterday, we did enter into the signals. We've been like 5-6% up along with the pumps as well. So basically, that's the Discord thing. Join the Discord, right? And here we are. The question now comes into the weekly time frame as well. I'm going to show you the weekly time frame, and that's a very, very, very good news about the weekly time frame. To me, Bitcoin could have already bottomed out nearly $33,000, and in the next coming weeks, let me repeat this, you can see Bitcoin actually going all the way to $53,000. Yes, potentially the trend is now reversing to the upside. The last time, because this is the bottom structure that I always say, that let at least we find a bottoming structure, like an inverse head and shoulder, like a falling wedge, anything that can gives us a hint that that's the bottom, and we're starting to reverse. So the last time you went down from $64,000 to $28,000, you made a bullish engulfing candlestick on the weekly, and that's a sign that you're about to reverse the trend. This time you made a morning star, and that's a sign for you to understand that we are about to reverse the trend. So I'm gonna give you a cheat sheet for on Google for the morning star, and let me show you how the morning star candlestick look like. And for me, this one just basically means that Bitcoin is interested to actually now continue its uptrend, and it's not going to be the downtrend anymore. Okay, you always flip the switch, and it's very simple. So here we are. I just need one good pattern that shows a downtrend and then shows this morning star. So basically it looks something like this, right? You are in a downtrend, you go down and down and down and down, you make a morning star, and then you flip the switch, you flip the direction, and then you start moving towards the upside. Let me show you another picture once again. This is your morning star, you flip the switch, you go up. This is your morning star, you flip the switch, you go up. So this is a cheat sheet for you, okay? Anytime you're in a downtrend, you make that morning star, it's pretty much guaranteed that the trend is about to reverse. Another picture once again right there. Look at this beautiful morning star, and then the target is changed. This is what Bitcoin just formed. Okay, I'm actually gonna open up Bitcoin on Huobi so that we can actually see way more clearly what the hell this is happening. So this one, look, we are potentially looking now to go for that fifth wave if the morning star keeps its uptrend. And here we are, and you can already see how good and clear this morning star really looks like. Very simple, right? I'm going to remove some of the drawings right there, this drawing and that drawing as well. So for me, basically, this could have been your bottom structure, and now you have a reversal. These are known as reversal patterns, okay? These are called as reversal, and from the name itself, it means that a trend is about to be reversed. And by the way, yes, there's a resistance here that has actually been broken. The RSI is oversold. I'm actually gonna bring in the Bollinger Bands on the weekly, and let me show you the Bollinger Bands. The Bollinger Bands are actually very at the bottom. Look, you were at the very bottom of the Bollinger Bands right there. You just touched it. So it doesn't make sense to me that it's looking to go to $50,000, at least to this near middle line of the Bollinger Bands. But to me, it doesn't make more sense if you're actually going to reverse. You completely reverse to go to the upper band of the Bollinger Bands, which could take you once again back to $69,000. That's just how the indicator of the Bollinger Bands work right now. Of course, it's going to be a weekly journey. Could take until March and April to actually go up to those price targets. But at the moment, there is a technical target of $44,000, and that's when I'm gonna release another update when we reach $44,000, and we're gonna check if Bitcoin is interested to actually continue to the upside or not. But at this very point of time, that's just the technical target out of that ascending triangle that I see, and that's very positive. You have the morning star as well. The Bollinger Band is at the bottom. RSI is oversold as well. You have literally, you are at the absolute bottom of the RSI, and then from there are more positive right now than negative. So this was your trend until the end, okay? So this trend was your friend until the end, and then you break out of a trend, and now you're looking to make a new friend to go to the upside. Very simple, okay? And when the market flips, you flip. You don't get emotional about the market or anything, right? So for those people who are really even sometimes missing these pumps and all this kind of stuff, you might make a small trade of Bitcoin, from here to $44,000. Like, that's gonna be 3 to 4%. Maybe buy an altcoin, you could still get a 10% out of it as well. And that's it for today's Bitcoin update. I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.